Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. How is everybody doing? How's everybody doing? How is everybody doing, guys? How are you? How are you? How are you, my people? How are you? How are you? How are you doing? Thank you so much for coming to my channel, clicking, liking, sharing, subscribing, watching my videos, my shorts, my lives. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. I don't take it for granted. I really appreciate, guys. Be blessed. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. For my subscribers, online family, online friend, aunties, mothers. Thank you so much. Fathers, uncles, sibling, thank you so much, guys, for joining. So as you can see there, that is the recipe of today. Today we are going to visit Uganda. Do you know this recipe is normally done in Uganda? Uganda, oh my god, it's normally done in Uganda, guys. My Uganda people, normally done in Uganda. And I came to realize that it's also very expensive in a five-star hotel. Yeah, this recipe is very expensive in a five-star hotel, guys. Especially here in Kenya. I don't know outside Africa or outside Kenya, but in Kenya here, the recipe is also expensive in a five-star hotel. So today we are going to do the red meat, of course beef, and the matoke. Matoke is the word that Uganda people use, yeah, but we call it banana or plantain. Is it plantain or banana or matoke? For us people from Western, we call it liramwa. Is it liramwa or liramwa? Something like that. So, you're welcome, guys. So, I know you're wondering what's wrong with my hands. Yeah. I went for a wedding and that's what they did to me. Just imagine how cute those hands. How cute those hands look like. You see, they look so beautiful. Please concentrate on the recipe plus the hands. Can you rate those hands, guys? So I went for a wedding somewhere. It was Wanubi wedding. I think you know Wanubi wedding. And I think I have like 3 or 4 videos on this channel where I had shown you guys how the Wanubi do their wedding and how they make their bride beautiful. So this is among the things they do to the bride. They make the bride beautiful by drawing, making some drawing on her body or her feet and her fingers. So me as a guest, I got the opportunity to have the cutest. Is it the cutest or the cutest? To have the cutest. To be among the cutest people who had the chance to be drawn the beauty of the Wanubi girls. So leave that alone. So back to the video. So this is the recipe, guys. This recipe, as I said, it is normally done in Uganda and little part people from Western, yeah, little bit people from Western, they normally do this, but nowadays, as I said, you can find this in the 5-star hotel and it's a kinda expensive because it's organic. Yeah, organic. So welcome, guys. As we do the recipe, you see those hands, they're looking so pretty. Welcome, guys. As we do the recipe, please sit back, relax, and make sure you have subscribed. Make sure you have subscribed, please, and share, leave a comment for me, please. So for the meat, I'm not going to boil it first. I'm just going to fry it immediately, like direct. Yeah, I'm going to fry it like direct. In the oil, you leave it to simmer for a few minutes, and then you start to put in your ingredients. Of course, I have washed my meat. So we are going to leave it here for it to have enough oil as it boils in the oil. And then of course I'm going to use the spices that you'll see, guys, and then we continue from there. And then from here, as the meat boils, let us peel the banana. Yeah, so this banana was given by a friend who loves me so much. Oh my god, I was given by a friend, so I decided to make this recipe with you. Yeah, and I've decided to use the peppers because I don't want my beauty of my hands to get spoiled, so that's why I've put the gloves. Yeah, I hope they will protect me. Yeah, so let us peel the banana. Let us peel the banana, and then we see what follows. And for the banana, about the peeling, you can apply the cooking oil. Yeah, either if you have the kitchen gloves, you're good to go. Is it gloves? If you have the kitchen gloves, you are good to go. But you can also apply the cooking oil on your hands. They'll do the same work. Yeah. So let us peel the banana, and then we see what follows. And sorry guys for the background noise. The rain is raining. So it is raining outside. So I'm sorry for the background noise. Let us continue from here.
You in the morning, show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know there's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
How much room is left inside my heart? Dreams and hopes I chase, then part. I'm not searching for new love, they come wrapped in a lie. My soul cries out, torn and bruised. With every love, there comes a cost. Oh, mine, defend yourself. I'm not looking anymore. When they come like quiet shadows, with promises that fade like smoke, bridges leading into regret, better alone than falsely broke. My soul cries out, torn and bruised. With every love, there comes a cost. Oh, mine, defend yourself. I'm not looking small. I'm not looking anymore. Under twilight's where we stand, whispers of the moonlight grant your.
Look at my food. Look at my food, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Does the food look yummy? It looks so yummy. So you don't need to leave the banana to overcook. You'll be overreacting. So, oh my god, it looks so yummy. It looks, and the aroma, hey, the aroma that is coming out of this recipe. Oh my gosh, it's so yummy. Please, please, please try this. Try this. My people from Uganda, please comment in the comment section. Did I nail it? I think I nailed it. Yeah. Nimedunga musumari. I did it. And the food is looking yummy. And it was yummy. It was so yummy. It was yummy. Try this, my people. Try this. So I didn't have the coriander, but if you have the coriander, you can just put on top, and then your recipe will be done. Yeah, you just put on top, and then your recipe will be done. But hey, the food was yummy. Was very look at that. Look at that and tell me. Tell me, guys, look at that and talk to me. That food was so yummy. So thank you so much for watching, liking and sharing and subscribing, guys. I know you have subscribed because of this video. I know, and I know you'll be coming back and back and back and back. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. May God bless you and protect you. See you in the next video.